Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this vehicle on and off the road as you take it on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED automatic reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch black aluminum wheels, black exterior badging, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, a tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temperature control, a 115-volt auxiliary rear power outlet, rear power sliding window, dampened tailgate, a 5.0-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5502.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.